Here we've got Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate spell checker. So at first you have to open list of all apps, go to the settings, then find and select system, and here click on languages and input. Now go to virtual keyboard, go to Gboard then, and right here you've got text correction, so smoothly click on it, scroll down to the very bottom of the list, and here you will find spell check. So unless it is active, just click on the switcher to turn it on, and once it is on, you will have your misspelled words will be marked while you are typing them. So it's super useful feature, it's worth using, smoothly activate it and then write without typos. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.